Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn numbers above 100 in this video. We have already done numbers till 100, so the numbers above 100 will be very easy for you. The word for 100 is hundred. Just remember that numbers are written as one word without any gap. Let's begin. 100 or just 100. 100 or just 100. 101 or simply 101. 101 or 101. 102 or 102. 102 or 102. 103 or 103. 104 or 104. 105 or 105. 106 or 106. 107 or 107. 108 or 108. 109 or 109. 110 or 110. 111 or 111. 115 or 115. 200 200. 300 300. 400 400. 500. Once again, 500. 600. Once again, 600. 700. 700. 800. 800. 900. 900. 1000 or 1000. Once again, 1000 or 1000. 2000 2000. 3000 3000. 4000. Once again, 4000. 5000 5000. 6000 6000. 7000 tausend, 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 9,000, 9,000. For larger numbers, use decimal point as a thousand separator. 10,000, 10,000, 11,000, 11,000. Similarly, we say 12,000, 13,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000, and so on. 100,000 or 100,000, 100,000 or 100,000, 200,000, 200,000. Eine Million, eine Million. 2 Millionen, 2 Millionen. Millionen is the plural of million. Similarly, we say 3 Millionen, 4 Millionen, 5 Millionen, and so on. 100 Millionen or 100 Millionen. 100 Millionen or 100 Millionen. Eine Milliarde, eine Milliarde. 2 Milliarden, 2 Milliarden. Milliarden is the plural of Milliarde. Jahreszahlen, years. Let's now learn how to say years in German. 1989, 1989. Numbers are always written as one word without any gap. 2024, 2024. Now let's learn how to ask and tell birth year. So here is a question. Wann bist du geboren? And the answer is, ich bin im Jahr 1997 geboren. In the comment section below, please tell, wann bist du geboren? I repeat the question. Wann bist du geboren? At a glance, now let's revise the numbers which we have learned today. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 or 1000, 2000, 10,000, 11,000, 100,000 or 100,000. Eine Million, eine milliard. Guess the numbers. Now let's do some practice to see how well you have understood the numbers. I will show you a number and you have to guess which number is this. So here is the first one. And the answer is 202. 202. And the next number is and the answer is 314. 314. Next number. Answer is 417. 417. Next number is answer is 1002 or 1002. 1002 or 1002. Next number. Answer is 3024. 3024. Guess the next number. And the answer is 7774. 7774. Guess the next number. And the answer is 1111. 1111. Next number is answer is 12.220. 12.220. Next number is answer is 934. 934. Next number is dreihundertachtundzwanzig. 328. Well done. Hopefully you have understood the numbers well and you can use them easily. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.